7th Subject English 1.6 in a class of their own. Part 1st English Workshop. Question first. Read aloud the two conversations in this part. या पाठातील पुढील संवाद वाचा. First, between Mrs. Desai and her students. Second, between Asmita and Snehal. Question second, say whether the following sentences are right or wrong. पुढील विधाने बरोबर आहेत की चूक हे लिहा. First, there are both boys and girls in this class. Right. Second, they never quarrel. Wrong sentence. Third, their teachers never shout at them. Wrong sentence. There was no unity among the students in the class. Wrong sentence. Fifth, Sushmita spoke to the teacher in a low, soft voice. Right sentence. Last, Asmita is telling us their story. Right sentence. Question third. Discuss the following questions. पुढील प्रश्नांची चर्चा करा. A. Why does Mrs. Desai's class like her? श्रीमती देसाईंच्या वर्गाला त्या का आवडतात? Answer. Mrs. Desai's class likes her because she is proud of the class in spite of the things that teachers worry about. She likes their unity. She addresses them respectfully and lovingly. She was sorry for their poor result but didn't scold or punish them. She still wanted to be proud of them. The class liked this kind attitude of their teacher. B. Should Mrs. Desai have been angry or unhappy? श्रीमती देसाईंनी रागवायला किंवा दुःखी असायला हवे होते का? Answer. Yes, because students of her class did not do well in the test and some of them had not appeared for the test. Question 4th. Use the information about yourself and make meaningful sentences using the following adverbs. तुमची स्वतःची माहिती वापरा व पुढील ॲडवर्ब्स म्हणजेच क्रियाविशेषणे वापरून अर्थपूर्ण वाक्ये तयार करा. फर्स्ट, always. Answer. I always play kho-kho in the evening. Second, I always wake up at 6 at morning. B. Regularly. I regularly brush my teeth twice in a day. Second, I do my homework regularly. C. Sometimes. Answer. Sometimes I get scared. Second, sometimes I make mistakes. D. Never. I never wish to see a fairer scene. Second, I never lie to my parents. Other sentences using given adverbs. A. Always. My mother is always happy. Second, he always forgets to bring exercise book. B. Regularly. We take exercise regularly. Second, my friends come regularly to play games. C. Sometimes. Answer. We sometimes go fishing. Second, dreams sometimes come true. D. Never. We are never late to school. Second, she never do her homework. Question 5th. Write the following words in the appropriate places to complete the following tables: itself, herself, myself, yourselves, ourselves, yourself, himself, themselves. पुढील तक्ता पूर्ण करण्याकरिता दिलेले शब्द योग्य ठिकाणी वापरा. आन्सर. I, myself. We, ourselves. You, yourself. You, yourselves. He, himself. She, herself. It, itself. And they, themselves. Question 6th. Say the alphabet from A to Z. There are 26 letters in the alphabet. Divide them into groups of rhyming letters. Example: Q, U, W are rhyming letters that end with the YU sound. Did you find a rhyming letter from each of the 26 letters? A पासून Z पर्यंतची इंग्रजी मुळाक्षरे म्हणा. त्यातील यमक जुळणाऱ्या अक्षरांचे गट लिहा. उदाहरणार्थ Q, U, W. या अक्षरांचे शेवटचे उच्चार YU, U असे होतात. आन्सर. A, B, C, D, E, G, I, P, T, V. Second, J, K, J, K. S, X, S, X. Now all the students try to do this English workshop. Thank you.